Well, in today's video, we will learn the difference between a mentor and an advisor, right? Let's see. What are the difference between a mentor and an advisor? Let us understand the basic differences between a mentor and an advisor, right? How do we understand which is a mentor? Whether we should proceed with mentor or whether we should proceed with an advisor, right? Every people will say, any people you meet, almost 99% of people you meet are advisors. Rarely 1% are mentors in any field of work you want to pursue. Now let me give you an example. Suppose you are doing IAS examination, UPSC, by giving the UPSC examination. You're preparing for IAS, and the teacher who is teaching you about IAS, he himself have not completed or cracked IAS, and he's teaching the entire class how to complete or cover IAS. Well, in this case, he's an advisor. Well, just not IAS, any particular examination, JEE mains, right, NEET, anything like that. Any particular person who is teaching you how to go through those examinations, but he himself or she himself have failed to pass the examination or haven't passed the examination. In that case, the person is an advisor. And this category of people are almost 99% across your surrounding. And that's why we human have a tendency to give advice, free advice, to every other person. But the most important thing in this particular sentiment is to find out a correct mentor. This is very much important, I would say. To find a mentor gives you the leverage to grow in life. How? Let's see. Mentor is a person who has done the thing by himself, right? Done the work by himself. He's just not giving advice. He's a practical person. You have to understand, advisor is just an advisor. He is just a theoretical person. A mentor is a practical person. A mentor who has done the work himself. That's mentor is. But let's see, suppose you have met a person who has built his own business. Right? Now he can teach you, he can show you the path, he can show you or he can guide you how to build a business. He can show you how to build a business. But what he cannot show you is how to compete for UPSC or how to compete for JEE mains or NEET. Because see, you understand the difference. This is the difference between mentor and advisor. So if you want to proceed in any area of your life, be it in terms of entrances, be it in terms of jobs, right? You have to understand which category of people you're asking advice to or seeking guidance to. Whether you're seeking guidance from an advisor or whether you're seeking guidance from a mentor. And I highly recommend you to understand and find the right people who is suitable for you to become mentor. Because mentor is the key people in your life who will give you the right guidance, right path where you will proceed in life further. Right. So the more, see, the thing is that you want to suppose open a business, right? You are planning to open a business. I'm just giving you an example, and you go and ask advice from an employee, a government employee or a private employee, whatever. He does not have the capability to think. His mindset is closed, right? So the person will not be able to give you how to open a business, because business does not come just by completing MBA. Suppose if you have done MBA and if you think you are eligible to run a business, you are very wrong. MBA does gives you the capacity to do accounting. Yes, that's right, but that's it. Accounting does not generate business. MBA doesn't teach you how to build systems. Business is generated by systems. That's what you have to understand. So a government employee or a private employee cannot give you the advice how to make your own business. This is the simple technique you have to understand. So any field you want to work with, you have to find the adequate person, the right person on that field who has done the work himself and go and seek guidance from him. Not the person who is just giving an advising or doing an advisory job on the particular field. The person who is telling you to do something else, the person who will tell you to go and practice for UPSC, go and practice for JEE mains, and he himself haven't done. This is a complete fake teacher. I personally call them fake teacher. Well, my mentor told me these are fake teachers in life. And the person who have done the things himself and wants to share all the principles with you, this person is known as the real teacher. Right? These are the real teacher. So choose your mentor carefully, because these are the people who hold the key principles to your life. If you choose these things perfectly in your life, you will get the right path ahead in your life. And I wish you very well for the future. Thank you.